one morning before we were going to school.
Oh, and what happened? Did it hurt?
It was hurting.
Wow. And then what happened?
And then my mom took Claire to school, then she took me to the doctor, and then the doctor didn't know what was wrong. So they ordered an x-ray at the Madison Hospital.
Yeah.
And I got an x-ray, and they still didn't know what's wrong, but they saw something. So I went to Valdosta, and the doctor there didn't know what was wrong either. So they ordered us an appointment on Shands on Monday morning. So we went to Shands on Monday morning, and we saw Dr. Scarborough. And I think his mom calls him Dr. Scarborough because he leaves a lot of scars on him.
That's how he rolls.
And what'd they say? What happened?
They said that it was cancer. It was almost 100% sure cancer.
You're 8 years old and you've already had cancer.
Yeah.
Wow. How do you feel now?
I'm happy because we're almost done.
Oh, you're almost done. Now, they had to take your leg off, huh?
Yeah.
What did you feel like when the doctor said, Kat, we have to take your leg off? Was that pretty sad?
Yes.
So how'd you get through that? What'd you do?
Just be brave.
Ah, you're a pretty brave young lady. You really are. I can tell by the look in your eye right now. And they took your leg off, and now, but are there advantages to having one leg?
What does that even mean?
I mean, what's the good thing about it?
What's the good thing about it?
You can't stub your toe.
You can't stub your toe, okay.
You can't get ant bites.
Ants can't bite it, okay.
Dog can't bite it either.
And a half-price pedicure.
Half-price pedicure. How about that? That is really cool. You know, and what's really neat is you've got a great prosthesis. You've got a great leg that they gave you. What theme did you pick for your leg? Because I've never seen one like this.
SpongeBob.
You got a SpongeBob SquarePants leg. That is so weird. Kat, let me ask you a question. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Absorbent and yellow and porous is he?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
If nautical nonsense is something you wish,
SpongeBob SquarePants.
then drop to the deck and flop like a fish.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
SpongeBob
SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob!
Thank you.